So Ben-Gvir comes to 770, speaks. People ask a question. Would the Rebbe approve of a Zionist like Ben-Gvir to come and speak in 770? Menachem Begin came to 770 in 1977, I believe. He was also a Zionist, a big Zionist. And the Rebbe told Reb Gershom Ber Jacobson, who asked the Rebbe about this, saying some people wondered how the Rebbe could do that, supporting a Zionist and all of that. And the Rebbe said it helps his shluchim somehow. Ben-Gvir, whatever his political positions are, seem to be insignificant in comparison to the greater good, which is that we need to be strong, not give back any land, and deal with the enemy in the appropriate way. He has a strong stance. I noticed that he wasn't surrounded by the establishment of Chabad, so they legitimately could say that they didn't invite him. Although he visited the library, and the librarian, Rabbi Beryl Levin, greeted him, and he works for the Merkez Linyonei Chinuch. I don't know if he asked for permission or he didn't ask permission. I think there's too much being made of this. A Jew comes, yes, he represents Eretz Yisrael in a certain way. Yes, he has strong feelings. He's a frum Jew. He has an audience that wants to hear him. It wasn't about whether we should be Zionists, not be Zionists. I think there's an overreaction here. I think there's a jealousy here that, he came to the non-establishment compared to the establishment. Just let things be. The most important thing is that there are people that want to just cause conflict, friction, find problems. Don't find problems. Find only good things. Today, especially, we need Achdus, more unity and more togetherness. If we stop making big issues of these things, then there are no issues. That's my humble opinion, for whatever it's worth. It's Erev Shabbos, going to Shabbos with Simcha. Mashiach should come. We should have Shleimus HaTorah, Shleimus Yisrael, Shleimus of Am Yisrael, complete wholesomeness of the Jewish people, the Torah, and we should witness Mashiach's coming and stop looking at others. They're no good, this is no good, and just relax. You're welcome to disagree, but that's the way I see it. I'm not fathomed by this. This isn't earth-shattering to me. Okay? That's my humble suggestion to you. Just take it in stride and go on. Have a great Shabbos.